Welcome to the top best. The best Galaxy S22 Charger is probably one of the most crucial accessories for any smartphone user, ensuring your device stays powered throughout your busy day without interruption, and finding the right one can significantly impact your daily routine, offering rapid charging and peace of mind that your valuable device is always ready for whatever comes next. Number 5. 2-pack 25W USB-C super fast charger with 6-foot cable. Need power quickly? This charger delivers up to 25W, getting your device from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's 75% faster than standard chargers. Your devices are safe with its built-in safeguards. It protects against short circuits, overcurrent, and overheating. Plus, it intelligently stops charging when your battery is full, ensuring safety and extending battery life. Not only does it charge your Samsung phones and tablets at a rapid 25W, but it also supports data transfer. You can quickly sync your files at 480 megabits per second while powering up. This versatile charger works with a wide range of devices. From Samsung Galaxy phones and tablets to iPads, Google Pixel, and even AirPods, it's your go-to power solution. Each package includes 2 powerful 25W USB-C wall chargers and 2 durable 6-foot USB-C to USB-C cables. You'll have everything you need for fast and reliable charging. What we like. This charger offers incredibly fast 25W PD 3.0 charging, getting your device to 50% in just 30 minutes. It also includes comprehensive safeguard protection for your device's safety. If you are looking for a reliable, super-fast charging solution with built-in safety features and a great value pack, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. USB-A to USB-C cable 3-pack 10-foot nylon braided. These cables offer stable 3A fast charging and USB 2.0 data transfer up to 480 megabits per second. They charge your devices efficiently and transfer files quickly without lag. This pack includes 3 extra-long 10-foot cords. Their extended length meets your daily needs, allowing you to charge devices freely even when outlets are far away. Featuring a tough nylon braided exterior and reinforced connectors, these cables withstand over 10,000 bends and 6,000 plug-ins. They are anti-tangle, anti-break, and wear-resistant for long-term daily use. Designed for wide compatibility, they work perfectly with Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, LG, and all other USB-C enabled phones, tablets, and electronic devices. Please note, they are not for USB-C to C, Lightning, or micro USB connections. We value your satisfaction and offer a full range of quality services. Our customer service team is ready to answer any questions within 24 hours, ensuring a smooth experience. What we like. This product stands out with its impressive 10-foot extra-long cables, giving you unparalleled flexibility. The durable nylon braided design ensures longevity and resistance to tangles. If you need extended reach and robust cables for multiple locations like home, car, and office, this 3-pack offers exceptional value. What people say. Number 3. 25W USB-C fast charger with 10-foot cable for Samsung and iPhone. Experience lightning fast charging with its 25W PD 3.0 technology. It can power up your device from 0 to 100% in just about 60 minutes, saving you valuable time. This charger comes with an extra-long 10-foot Type-C to C cable. Enjoy the convenience of a longer charging distance and rapid data transfer speeds. It offers universal compatibility, supporting a vast array of USB-C devices. From the latest Samsung Galaxy models to various iPhones, it powers them all efficiently. Equipped with a premium multi-protect system and intelligent IC technology, it ensures your devices are safe. This protects against short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. This package includes 2 25W fast chargers and 2 10-feet cables. With its 100 to 240 volt input, it's perfect for charging multiple devices simultaneously, making it ideal for worldwide travel. What we like. This charger provides 25W superfast charging, powering your battery from 0 to 100% in about 60 minutes. It comes with an extra-long 10-foot USB-C to C cable, offering great convenience and charging distance. If you prioritize extremely fast charging paired with a very long cable for maximum flexibility, this 2-pack kit is perfect for you. What people say. Number 2. Anker 45W USB-C Charger Block, 2-pack. Experience incredible speed with this ultra-fast 45W charger. It can power your Samsung S24 Ultra to 50% in just 20 minutes, getting you ready in no time. Charge with confidence thanks to its proprietary technology. It includes high voltage and short circuit protection, safeguarding your devices during every charge. Enjoy the convenience of universal compatibility. This versatile USB-C charger works seamlessly with a broad range of Samsung and other USB-C devices. It comes with 2 long-lasting 5-foot USB-C cables. These boast over 10,000 bend resistance and support up to 100 W for efficient fast charging. You receive 2 45W chargers, 2 USB-C cables, 2 organizers, a welcome guide, and an 18-month warranty. Plus, friendly customer service is always available. What we like. This Anker charger delivers an incredible 45W super fast charging 2.0, capable of charging your Samsung S24 Ultra to 50% in just 20 minutes. It features Anker's proprietary secure charging technology, ensuring your devices are protected. If you demand the absolute fastest charging speeds and trust a brand known for its safety and quality, this dual pack is an excellent investment. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted regarding the charger for Galaxy S22. Number 1. Fast Charger Kit for Samsung Galaxy and USB-C devices. Power up all your devices with ease. This versatile kit is designed for a wide range of smartphones, including Samsung Galaxy, LG, Google Pixel, and many other USB-C compatible models. Say goodbye to long waits. This charger delivers optimal speeds, getting your device up to 8% faster than standard chargers. It ensures your phone is ready to go when you are. Not just for charging, this kit also supports high-speed data transfer. Move your files quickly and efficiently, making your digital life smoother. Your device's safety is paramount. Equipped with multiple protections against short circuits, overheating, and overcharging, it ensures a secure and reliable power delivery every time. Designed for daily use, the compact wall charger is highly portable. The nylon braided cable is tangle-free and robust, passing extensive bend tests for long-lasting performance. You receive a comprehensive 4-in-1 kit. It includes 2 wall charger plugs and 2 6-foot USB Type-C fast charging cables, providing everything you need. We stand by our product with 24/7 friendly customer service. If you have any questions, our team is ready to assist you promptly. What we like. This charger kit offers optimal charging speed up to 2.1A, charging 8% faster than standard 1A chargers. It includes comprehensive multi-protection features like short circuit and overheat prevention for maximum device safety. If you are looking for a reliable, safe, and portable charging solution that comes as a complete 2-pack kit, this is a solid choice for everyday use. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.